Hey guys, this is Kyle from Fred Drake Automotive in Townsend, Delaware. We do automotive maintenance and repair. I wanted to share with you guys today we had a customer's vehicle in 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. The problem was that it's having some issues with the transmission, slipping out of gear and generally doing stuff that the transmission's not supposed to do. So when we got the vehicle in, the first thing that we like to do is check the level and condition of the transmission fluid. And I wanted to show you what we found when we checked that out. So this is a sample of brand new transmission fluid. It should be cherry red color and nice and clear. It looks brand new, nothing really, too special about it. This is what we pulled out of the Santa Fe. At 110,000 miles, it looks like it's never been changed. It smells terrible, it's burnt, and generally it's not doing its job. And this could definitely be the reason why the customer was having issues with their transmission. So as you can see, this fluid desperately needed to be changed a long time ago. A lot of manufacturers will recommend 60, 70, 80, almost, or 100,000 miles before changing the transmission fluid. But as a shop, we've decided every 2 years or 24,000 miles would be a good interval to make sure that your fluid doesn't end up like this. So if you're interested in the service or if you have any questions about transmissions or transmission fluid, please give us a call at 302-378-4877 or check us out on Facebook /Fred Drake Auto. Thanks.